Hey guys, Eric here with Memphis Wood Fire Grills. Today we're going to show you how to replace the light bulbs on your Memphis Pro or your Memphis Elite. The first thing that we're going to do is disconnect the power cord from the outlet, and let's get started. After I open the hood, I'm going to locate the mounting screw here. We're going to take those screws out, which is going to let us release the light cartridge, and we'll get access to the light bulb. We're going to remove this tab so we can open up the light cartridge. So from here, you're going to want to take your left hand and secure the light cartridge, and with your other hand, you're simply just going to gently pull out the old light bulb. Careful not to break it. Now that we've replaced the light bulb, we're going to put the light cartridge back together and reattach it to the light housing. Once the light cartridge has been reattached to the light housing, you're all set with the bulb replacement.